Hello viewers, in this class let us discuss number systems and types of numbers. As we know, there are different types of numbers that we are using in our daily life or for the sake of calculation and so on. Now before getting to the class, if you are not subscribed my channel means please subscribe, like and share, they are valuable for us. So let us get into the video. A number system, see, it is a number system is a way of writing and representing numbers. A number system is a way of writing and representing numbers. That's it. So there are many number systems that we are using. One is binary number system. And second one is octal number system. Third one is decimal number system. And fourth one is hexadecimal number system. See, the binary number system is the number system in which we are using only two digits, they are 0 and 1, and the base of this number system is 2. Binary number system is called base 2 number system. And octal number system, we are using 8 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 8 digits, and the base of the octal decimal system is 8. And the decimal number system, in this number system we are using 10 digits, they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 digits we are using in decimal number system, and the base of this decimal number system is 10. And in hexadecimal number system we are using 16 digits, they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 10 we are going to denote by capital A, B 11, and C, this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, F. Say these are the 16 digits we are using in hexadecimal number system, and the base of the hexadecimal number system is 16. See, normally decimal number system is the number system which we are commonly using for the calculation in our everyday life. So let us discuss some types of numbers that we are using for the sake of calculation in our daily life. See, these are the 4 different number systems that we are using. Let us move on to the different types of numbers. So one is natural numbers. Second one, whole numbers. Third one, integers. Fourth one, rational numbers. Fifth one, irrational numbers. Sixth one, real numbers. And seventh one, complex numbers. See, these are the different types of numbers that we know. See, natural numbers are nothing but the numbers which we are using for counting are called natural numbers. For the purpose of counting, we are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is continuous and so on. See, these are comes under natural numbers, and natural numbers is denoted by capital letter N. These are natural numbers. See, natural numbers, the numbers which we are using for counting, those numbers are comes under natural numbers, and natural number set is denoted by capital letter N. And the whole numbers is natural numbers with 0, that is called whole numbers, and this set is denoted by capital letter W, and it is given by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. See, this is the whole number set. And the third type of numbers is given by integers, and it is denoted by capital letter I, and it is given by all natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on 0, and if you put negative sign to all natural numbers, those numbers -1, -2, -3 and so on. See, these are comes under set of integers. See, integer set is denoted by capital I, and the set includes 0 natural numbers and in negative natural numbers. We can say if you put negative sign to natural numbers, all those numbers comes under integers. Next one, rational numbers. See, rational numbers are the numbers which set is denoted by capital letter Q. See, rational number set is denoted by capital letter Q, and it is defined by the numbers of the form P by Q, where Q must be not equal to 0 and P and Q must be integers. These numbers, these type of numbers are called rational numbers. See, numbers of the form P by Q, where Q must be not equal to 0 and P and Q are integers. See, for example, if you take an example 5, is it a rational number? Yes, of course it is a rational number. See, 5 can be written as 5 by 1, therefore this is of the form P by Q, therefore Q is not equal to 0, therefore this is a rational number. Irrational numbers are denoted by Q dash, and it is the set. The numbers which are not rationals are called irrational numbers. See, that means if the condition, the numbers of the form P by Q, Q not equal to 0, P comma Q are integers. See, this condition, if it is not satisfied those numbers, those are called irrational numbers, and it is denoted by Q dash. For example, see, root 2 is an irrational number. See, root 2 can be written as root 2 divided by 1, but it is in the form of P by Q, but P is not an integer here. Therefore, this number root 2 is called irrational number. Real numbers is denoted by capital letter R, and it is the union of rationals and irrationals. ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸಿ √2 is a real number, 5 is a real number, like that. See, all the numbers that are on the number line comes under real numbers. And lastly, complex number. Complex number is denoted by capital letter C, and it is defined by the numbers of the form a plus ib are called complex number, where ab are real numbers. The numbers of the form a plus ib are called complex numbers. For example, 3 plus 4i is a complex number, where I is an imaginary number. So these are the different types of numbers that we are using in our daily life. Thank you.